Okay, so what should I wear today? So I may not know exactly what I'm gonna wear today, but I definitely know what I wanna start off with, and that is a pair of jeans that I didn't like. To say that I am picky about jeans is probably an understatement. You know, we all have our things. So when Citizens of Humanity gifted these to me to sort of promote their upcoming product launch, I had the audacity to let them know why I didn't like these jeans. So they've been hanging in my office on my clothing rack for over a month. I wasn't quite sure what to do with them. I don't know if it was guilt or what, but I sort of just left them there. The more and more I looked at them, I thought to myself, hey, you believe in second chances, so why not give these jeans a second chance? Maybe I can address the reasons I didn't like these. I don't know. Okay. So here are the jeans. The Citizens of Humanity Nora trouser leg jean. So I had 4 different reasons why I didn't like these jeans. One of them being, and it was probably the biggest one, is the low rise. But in this last month, I actually did purchase a pair of low rise APC jeans that I kind of wear low slung. So I thought I should definitely try these again, give them another chance with their low rise, considering I gave it a chance to these other pair of jeans, you know, and I am all about fair treatment, especially when it comes to my clothes. Okay. I mean, they're definitely comfortable. I give it that. So I think where I went wrong before, I have this like millennial instinct for stretch denim to like pull them up as high as they can go. I don't know. I'm just trying to like make them high rise. So I think I can take this off because I actually have a t-shirt on. That's sort of the first thing to address. I think is maybe to, I still got the tags on them, is like if we give it a little zhuzh down, because that's how my new APCs sit, is they kind of sit lower slung on my hip. You know, they're not like super like tight and constricting in the crotch area. And I think that's how they sort of intended them to be worn. Like now that I look back at the website, it's like, that's where they're supposed to kind of be, is like a little bit lower slung, a little bit more relaxed, a little more effortless. To me, that actually feels way better. Uh-oh. For me, that feels right. I feel like that's where the pockets should be. So I think we have addressed issue number 1. There is 3 more issues that we need to address. Issue number 2, I feel like I just have to get over it, just move on. And that is the wash. Yeah. Like I said, I'm very particular. I think now, especially now with this white t-shirt, which just kind of happened by happy accident, I actually see that I think I will actually enjoy this wash because I like how it looks with the white t-shirts. And clearly we can see that girl's got a lot of white. So I actually think this color could be quite an asset to my wardrobe. You know, I look at it as like an investment, right? Okay. Before we go into issue number 3, let's add the top. Let's add on top. So I actually really like seeing this white t-shirt with it. I want to add a little bit of like contemporary edge. And so for me, it's a more boxier, oversized, contemporary fitting t-shirt. This is another sample. Clearly I'm obsessed with this fit because I got all these samples in this fit. Funny enough, I don't even think it is the t-shirt I'm gonna go with. This, I'm just gonna try. Yeah. Okay. Whoa, that is bigger than I remember it. This just feels very like, I'm breezy, you know, like I'm a cool mom type. I don't think it's what I'm going for today. I mean, we could try tucking. Oh my gosh, talk about millennial. That is millennial if I ever saw something millennial. But I don't think it is this t-shirt. I don't think this is the right one. What is the right one? Button-ups or t-shirts, that's pretty much our options. I think my initial reaction, because I kind of like, I want to show the top of the jean, want to show where it's hitting, because I actually now I'm like, oh, I'm really liking this and I want to embrace it. I think I'm going to go with this like boxier mid-length, and it's like a light gray, so we're still kind of getting that white effect. So we'll see how that works. I mean, I wear this t-shirt all the time. I think it's a big sign that I need to get more t-shirts this length, because it is my current favorite length, this like kind of mid hitting at the hip length. Oh yeah, I like that. Here's where I'm at. This is the reason why I'm not a big fan of low rise or low slung, is because I really want to show the like very top, but I don't want to show my little paunch here. So it's like, do I do this little like millennial sort of tuck, or do I go shorter? Yeah. That's not too bad, that little tuck. It looks a little bit more zhuzhy, not so like planned like the millennial tuck. Before we add the layer, do you guys want to know what my third reason is that I don't wear stretch denim? The composition of this fabric is 81% regenerative cotton, which I absolutely love, and then 14% lyocell, and then the rest is like elastane. I normally am not a big fan of stretch denim because I like an authentic fit. I like a raw 100% cotton denim because it just looks yummy and gritty, and yeah. But the other reason why I don't like stretch denim is normally it has polyester in it. And so I do like that this is primarily cotton and lyocell. Girl loves lyocell. So I can get on board with that, especially now that we've got this more like relaxed fit happening. I think it feels a bit better. And I like how drapey it is actually. Like it just really feels like super broken in denim. I am ready to give this version of stretch denim a chance. I think I want to go with like a monochrome moment with adding a sweater, a gray sweater to my gray top. I like where this sweater is hitting, and I like that it's like framing this cute, just little low rise moment. I think the next thing I want to address, which is the fourth and final reason I didn't like these, is the length. So I always struggle with length because I am 5'5", and I don't really wear heels all that often these days because it just isn't, doesn't work for my everyday purpose. As much as I want to keep these full length and just wear some heels with them, I just don't know if that's practical for my everyday. I'm gonna try these with my platform boots because those are super comfortable, and I can wear those like on a casual everyday basis because they are so darn comfortable. That is so darn cute. I was sort of fully expecting that I'm gonna like try these on and I'm gonna be like, nope, we're just gonna cut them. It might just mean that I'm gonna have to wear these boots more often because of the low rise of the jean. That full length just adds to that elongation. You know what I gotta do though? I gotta try them on with some flats just to kind of see where we're at. See if it would be a possibility. Okay, so we're gonna try them with my Louboutins. See how that feels. So I do like that, but I can just already feel it. Like that's just not gonna be functional. That extra length pooling at the bottom of my jeans. One, it's not functional, and two, it'll ruin the jeans. I don't want to cut them. I don't. I was genuinely prepared. Like going into this, I was like, I'm gonna just cut them, I think. And I was trying to be all mysterious, like, oh, let's see how they look. But no, I think I am feeling that length. So I think it just means girl might need to wear some platform boots to school pickup sometimes, Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep the length for now, play with it, have some fun, see how it goes. If I feel like I'm not wearing them as often because of the length, then I'll cut them. Okay, so I think for jewelry, I don't know. Do I want a bandana or do I want a necklace? I don't know. I don't even need to try the necklace. That's working for me. Yeah, I think with that, friends, the outfit is complete. And I'm feeling ready for the day, because life is always better in a good outfit.